So today we will see how to use styles in OpenOffice Writer. So this is the first unit of your chapter of OpenOffice. So the first chapter is how to apply styles and formatting to your text. So on this right side of OpenOffice Writer, you will see a sidebar. If this sidebar is not visible, you can go to view and click on sidebar. Like suppose it is not visible on the right side, you can go to view and click on sidebar. Okay, and if you want to change the style of the text, you can click on this tab called styles and formatting. This is styles and formatting on the right side on the sidebar. Click on this. Okay, now suppose you want to apply the style to this particular paragraph. So you can so as you can see, there are various categories of styles. This is for paragraph, this is for character, there is character styles, styling whole paragraph. If you want to style the frames or page styles are there, and some list styles are there which are used with bullets and numbering. Okay, so suppose if I want to change the style, the format of the paragraph, I will click on format paragraph styles. You just place the cursor on these tools and it will show you the name of the tools. So these are called as tooltip information. So if I click on it, these are some frame styles, these are some of the page styles, these are some of the list styles. So right now I am concentrating on paragraph style. So select the paragraph on which you want to apply the style and double click on the slide style which you want to take. So you can see the style here is changing. So from here you can take any style. Okay, now suppose if I want to change the format of this paragraph, I can change the format like this. I'm increasing the font size and I'm changing the color of the text, so I'm giving my own format here. Okay, so we can also specify our own style. Like this is the style I have given for the text. So either you can select one of the styles given over here, but if you want to create your own style so that style you can apply to various documents, so you can also create your own style. For that you have to select the text whose style you want to save. Then you have to click on this icon on the right side, new style from selection. Click on the drop down arrow, click on new style from selection here. Give a name to the style, like suppose I am giving the name new. Click on OK. Now you can see under the paragraph tag, new style has appeared. So wherever you want to give the style, you have to first select the tab on which you want to give the style. Like suppose if I have to give a new style, if I have to create a new style inside the paragraph, I will click on the paragraph style. Okay, now after creating a style, you have to save the file. So to save the file, you can, or I will just show you how to apply the style on some text given over here. So suppose I have written this text, I am changing its color to black, and I want to apply this style to this text. So I will select the text and double click on the style here. Now you can see the style has been applied to this text also. So we have created a style and we can apply it to the text in the same document or in a different document also. And if I want to apply it to a different document, I have to first save the file. Suppose I'm saving the file with the name style. Since this file is already created, so I am just overwriting it. Now I am creating a new file. I'll press Ctrl plus N to create a new file, and I'm writing something here. And I want to style it with the style which I have already created in the previous file. So click on this option of styles and formatting and click on this plus sign, click on load styles. Okay, load styles. After load styles, you have to click on from where you want to load. So I have already created a file in which the style is there, so I will click on from file. So what I will do here is I will select the style from the file which I have created. Okay, so now if I click on this format, the paragraph formatting here, and if I scroll down, I will see the new style, the style new which I have created in the previous file has appeared here. So I'll just double click on that and I will see that hello world which is written, its style has been changed. Okay. And one more thing which we can do is, suppose I am writing some text. Okay. Now I am applying a style on this text. I am taking character formatting now, and I'm just clicking on, suppose this style has been applied. So this style has been applied to this text, and suppose the same style I want to apply to different text in the same document. I will click on this option, fill format mode. So once I click on fill format mode, it will open this paint bucket tool, and wherever I select, it will apply the selected style to different text. So this fill format mode is used to apply same style to different text in the same document. I'll show you again. I'll just press escape to remove it. So if you want to remove this fill format mode or to switch off the fill format mode, you have to press escape key. Now suppose I'll show you again what is fill format mode. Suppose I selected this paragraph or any text. I'll take any of the styles, either paragraph style or character style. And suppose this one I am taking, or let me take something. Okay. Okay, suppose this style I'm taking, vertical numbering, and I click on fill format mode. So whatever style is selected, okay, you can apply that selected slide style on various text. Just hover the fill bucket over the text on which you want to apply the style. So this style will be applied to the text which you select. This is fill format mode. Press escape key once you are finished with the work. Okay. So load style is used to uh, change to apply a style from some other file if you have already created a style. So I am just going back to the first style. If you want to update a style, suppose this is a style and I want to highlight it also, and now I will click on, I am highlighting this whole text, and if I click on update style, this style has been updated now. And suppose in my new file, if I want to use this style, so for that I'll write any text, select the text, go to paragraph styling, and double click on new. Okay, let me again take a text here. So let me again apply the style on this text here. I am selecting this text, and after that I am double clicking on new, and you can see the updated style has been applied to this particular text. Okay. It was not working in this file. Why? Because I have not saved the file. I have to first save the file, then only it will work on other uh, files, and I have to load the style again. If I want this style which has been updated to work in other files again, I have to load the style again in another file. So this is the option which we have used. This is used to create a new style. This is used to update a style if I want to make some changes in the style. This is used to load the style from some file. You can click on from file, and then you can select the file in which you have saved the style. Okay, so these are the options which you can try out.